Flipping condos can be exciting and profitable, but like any venture, it has its pitfalls. Today we dive into the top 5 mistakes that new condo flippers make. Learn how to avoid those traps and flip with confidence. If you need more one-on-one help, please reach out. Book some time with me down below. Welcome back to the channel. I made this channel for the new and experienced investor, those of you who want to live the life you've always wanted through real estate. Make sure that you like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Number 1, not properly analyzing the condo. Very important. This condo, let's say it's a condo complex near the ocean. Let's say it's like ocean views. The ones that are on the ocean view side have ocean views. They are going to be the same as the other side without ocean views. So in that situation, which one you think is worth more? The one with the ocean view or without the ocean view? You just can't simply say, here's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo with an ocean view, and this is what it's worth. And then you're trying to buy something in the same area, same size, without an ocean view. Please don't make that mistake of saying that it's worth as much as the one with the ocean view, because you're going to run into problems. Mistake number 2, underestimating your renovation costs. Let's go back to the beach. Let's go back to the condo with an ocean view. Probably really expensive, especially here in California. So if you're rehabbing this property with an ocean view, it's probably going to be worth way more than $1 million. You don't necessarily want to go to Home Depot and buy renovation products from Home Depot to put into an over $1 million, maybe $2 million condo flip. So you have to renovate to the property itself, the value of the property, the area. Everything has to be planned out correctly. Mistake number 3, and it's a big one, ignoring the HOA. Are you following along? Make sure that you hit that like button and help me get in front of new investors. The HOA can be your friend or they can be your worst enemy, okay? So most of the time when I'm flipping in a condo, I usually get a rehab permit from the city, send it over to the HOA just so that they know that I've gotten the permit from the city and I'm proceeding forward. But if there's anything on the outside that the HOA is responsible for, then you need to let them know if you're going to do anything whatsoever on the outside of that property. Most of the time you're not, but let's say, for example, windows. You're going to replace the windows to double pane instead of the single pane that's in there. You're going to need to get permission from that HOA and obviously the city as well before you exchange all this stuff. Because if not, it's going to be a nightmare at the end of the day when you're trying to close this property and the HOA is holding it up because you didn't get permission from them. Fortunately, that's how they are. Number 4 is a big one, whether you're flipping condos or anything else. Over-personalizing the design, which means that you're making it look like you're going to move into this property. You're putting in high-end vanity fixtures, kitchen cabinets, whatever it is. You should be treating this flip, again, if you're flipping a $200,000 condo, you might get away with doing Home Depot stuff. If you're flipping $1 million or $2 million condo, then you need to go to more custom stuff, but not overboard, and not put so much stuff in there that, oh gosh, I would want this if I was living in there. You're not living there. So keep an eye on your budget, your expectations, and don't go overboard. Mistake number 5, not accounting for those market fluctuations. So California, we're kind of in a sell cycle of maybe June, July, all the way through September, kind of the summer months. Those are our busiest months. The reason that they are the busiest is because all the kids are out of school. Mom and dad put the house for sale May, They sell it by June, and then obviously now they're looking for that replacement property. So they're looking during the summer, and then they're closing on that property before September. So if you're an investor, you need to know these things. Best time to buy as an investor is probably after Thanksgiving, especially in December, and especially during Christmas and New Year's. There's nobody out there looking at properties during that time. And if you're an investor and you're looking for a great deal that's on the market, they may accept that lowball offer you're going to send over there just to kind of complete the deal. They couldn't sell it during the summer. It went into, the fall, winter months, and so they're just tired of it. They want to get rid of it. So you send them over an offer for, $50,000, $100,000 less than what they were looking for, and they tell their agent, yeah, this is the best we can do, so we're going to take it because we're leaving here. We're moving to Florida. We're moving to Texas, whatever. We're out of California, okay? Take advantage of that. Every challenge in condo flipping is a lesson waiting to be learned. Armed with today's insights, you're one step closer to mastering the art of the flip and reaping its rewards. Got questions or your own flipping stories to share? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe and share for more. If you like condo flipping videos, then click on this video right here. Learn how to turn those pitfalls into profits. As always, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help. Click on this video.